Hello, you're welcome to Regular Achievers Educational Limited, presenting Real Tutors. I'll be taking you through a topic, long division. Okay, this is going to be similar to short division, but not in that pattern. Okay, we have an example here, 762 divided by 3. Okay, still going to be using our division sign, which is the number you want to divide, the inside, and the number you're using to divide it to be outside. Okay, so now how many 3 can you see in 7? That is 2, right? 7 times 2 is what? Is 6. Then you subtract it, 7 minus 6, that's 1. Then you move down the next number, which is 6. How many 3 can you see in 16? That'll be 5, right? 3 times 5 is what? 15. Then you subtract it. 16 minus 15, that's 1. You move down the third number, which is what? 2. How many 3 can you see in 12? That's what? That's 4. 3 times 4 is what? That's 12. Then you subtract it, that'll be 0, 0. Okay, then our answer in this question is 254. That's the answer. So I'll be giving you an exercise. Please submit your answer at the comment box. Alright, the question is 835 divided by 5. You have to find the answer in long division. Submit your answer at the comment box. Thank you.